Hello and welcome. I am here today with the lovely Kaitlyn.
Hello.
And Kaitlyn, I think it's been a while since you last played the piano.
Yeah, it's been a couple months.
So this is a really common thing that happens. We get really excited about the piano. We get really passionate. We're so excited. We're practicing. And then all of a sudden, poof, what happened?
I don't know. I think I just felt unmotivated. And it was kind of like in a rut time. Hard to get, I felt like I was struggling a bit. So I kind of just gave up.
And so I just want to start off by saying there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. It happens to all of us. And then one day goes by and then another, and next thing you know, it's been a few months.
Yeah.
So I wanted to talk about some strategies today to help you get back to the piano if you've kind of wandered away and you miss it, but you're not really sure how to get back to it. So number one is we need to figure out why you wanted to start learning to begin with. What made you want to learn the piano?
To play songs.
Okay, so this is really good. So that's where we'll start. We're going to start with playing songs. And I think we got to figure out a song. So I think number one, pick a song that you really love and figure out what you need to do to be able to play it. I think that's like number one, step one of them all. So we've already been talking about this a little bit, and we picked, what song did we pick? It was a Disney song.
It was a Disney song.
I See the Light from Tangled.
Yeah.
And it's such a cute song. Okay, so we're going to come up with a really clear strategy for you so that you can get back to the piano and so that you can play the song. So we've got our song ready, but before we actually get to our song, let's just see what your hands remember. So, do you remember where C is? C. Wow, and you even can bust out a C chord. That's awesome. Okay, what about G? Nice. Okay, what about F? And a C. So you remember your chords. It's very important to be very positive with yourself when you come back. So if you're not feeling like you really, really, really got it, that's okay. Take some time. How did that feel?
Good.
Yeah?
Like riding a bike almost.
Like, right? Yeah, you feel a little nervous when you get started, but you get going and you're okay. Okay, so let's warm up our fingers a little bit. So I want to create like a really fun experience for you that makes you feel super musical like a boss.
Okay.
So what I want you to do is I want you to take your left hand and let's place it on this C with your 5 finger. And then I want you to just play C and G like this. Boom, boom. Nice and slow. And I'm going to be your pedal for you. So you just keep going. Yeah. It's nice, right? Okay, don't stop that. And then you get this hand, you're going to place your thumb on C. Nice. And then maybe D. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, what about... Yes! Okay, keep going. And now try the E instead of the D. Here you go. Okay, what about the F instead of the E? And what about the D now? And then the E. And then this one. And stop. That was pretty.
That was really pretty.
That was really pretty. And when's the last time you played the piano? Months ago.
Months ago.
So, was that hard?
No, it was pretty easy.
Right, and you weren't really like judging yourself, you were just making pretty sounds. So, I'm going to show you something that you can do. I really liked what you were doing with that. You were matching this rhythm. You can play all the way up to this G. You can even bring your baby finger up.
So pretty.
So I'm going to be a pedal again, so you don't have to think about it.
Okay.
But I want you to just take a moment and explore. Do that. There's no rules other than C. Start. Yep. Keep that going. Good. Oh, exploring the black keys. Now that could get dangerous, but carry on. Stick with the white keys for now. Trust yourself that you're going to make pretty sounds no matter what happens. Good. Maybe try reaching up. Yeah. Nice. And then end with this guy. And this one. Here you go. Good. Okay. So that's your homework.
Okay.
Is to just set yourself up in C position, play with that left hand, create sort of like a hypnotic feeling with it, and then explore any of these white keys that you want in any order, in any combination.
Sweet. Okay.
And I feel like that will create a really positive experience at the piano for you. And then it tricks the brain, right? if we jump back into the piano and give ourselves this huge list of things to do, we can feel overwhelmed. And if we have to jump into a big difficult song, we can feel overwhelmed. But if we can create a positive experience like that, you might be like, I want to go back and do that some more.
Yeah, because it felt like I was like actually being able to play instead of, feeling frustrated when not being able to play the song I want to play.
Yes. Okay. So
It's rewarding.
Yes. Okay, that makes me so happy to hear. So this is where you're going to start. And if all you do when you sit down at the piano is something like that, and that's it, you're still moving forward. You're still winning. So I always say motivate yourself to get there by doing this, and end your practices with something really positive as well. So that's what you're remembering when you have to go back. Okay. So now that we have that, let's just look just for a second at our song so we can remember how simple it can be.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you, watch, we're going to play C, and for those of you watching, I've just pulled up a chord chart from Google for the song. And it's here, C. All those days watching from the window, all those years outside looking in, all that time never even knowing. That's all you got to do.
Oh, wow.
I'll sing for you.
Okay.
Okay, and you just have to move your hands to the chord names. So let's not make it complicated. Let's make it simple.
Okay.
So first we have a C. And I don't really want you to think about the song. I just want you to think about finding the chords.
Okay.
So this is where learning a song tricks us into learning more technical things. So it's good. So play me a C chord. And I love how you're playing the root note in the left hand and you're just playing the outer shell of the C chord. It just keeps it simple. Mm-hmm. And now see if you can find G. And then back to C. Good. And do it again. C. Ooh, there you go, yeah. And then G. And then C. Okay, good. I'm going to be your pedal again, so you can ignore that part. And let's do that again. So C. All those days watching from the windows. And then we're going to repeat C. All those years outside looking in. Now, we're going to go to F this time. You can do it. I believe in you. All that time, C. Never even G. Knowing C. Just how A. What? You can do it. Blind dive G. Then. Yeah, you did it. So that's basically all you need to worry about right now. Okay, so you've got a song that you love.
Song.
You're going to have this little chord chart, and your only work is to just practice moving between the chords that you see. If it doesn't sound anything like the song, it doesn't matter. We can sort that out at your next lesson. And then you got your pretty thing you're going to play, you've got your song that you're going to work on, and then do you feel like you need anything more? How does that feel?
It feels pretty good. I feel like just focusing on those chords for now and kind of feeling comfortable with them at first will definitely kind of warm me up and get me ready.
Get you ready to get back into it. So a little hit of inspiration for you as you're practicing moving those shapes. To play this shape, like instead of solid, that's pretty. You can make these little movements into more of like a song, like, does it make sense? I'm just playing the top and the bottom of the chord and I'm rocking back and forth. And it sounds really pretty. Wanna try it? Yeah. So when you put that together, yeah, and you can go to G. Right? So it's about bringing a sense of curiosity into what you're doing, and it makes it really musical. So you smiled, and it was good. Okay, so have a plan. Keep it really simple.
Simple.
Connect to your passion. Why did you start playing the piano?
Songs.
So you can play songs. So pick a song, learn it, love it, have fun with it, and be kind and gentle with yourself. There's no big pressure. There's no anything that you have to, accomplish. Just have fun at the piano. And then the last little piece is your community. And I think this is really, really important, especially for us beginners, because I said us. I'm not a super beginner, especially for beginners, because we fall off. And if you are connected with a community, like I should be your community, and being like, hey, how's the practice going? What do you need help with? And then you can say, oh, I'm struggling with this. And then your community rallies around you and helps to encourage you and keep you motivated. Okay, so I hope you have fun with this. I hope you guys learned a little bit. I hope you feel inspired to get back to the piano. If you need any encouragement, I would invite you to comment below. We'll be your cheerleaders. So happy practicing, and we'll see you around. Bye.